Hey guys, welcome to NEET World. So in this session we are going to see the JEE Mains PYQs of the physics. Yes, in last class we have completed up to some questions, right? Like we have completed up to the question. Yeah, this is the question of the last class. Now we will go ahead for the next question. The next question of the class is, the light wave is propagating with a plane wave font of a type x plus y plus z equals to constant. The angle made by the direction of the wave propagation with the x axis is. So here what they have said here, light wave is propagating with the plane wave font of a type x plus y plus z equals to constant. Right now here if we consider that if you see here, no, x and y, x y z, the light wave propagation is perpendicular to the xyz plane, which means angle made for x axis, y axis and z axis all are equal. So let me consider this angle is cos alpha, this is cos beta and this is cos gamma. Okay, so they have said that it is propagating with the plane, which is mean nothing but like everything is perpendicular with respect to the x and y, x, y, z and axis. Okay, so cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equals to 1, like cosine rule, na? Like, and one more thing, like they have said that x plus y plus z equals to constant. So if I consider these three are equal, I need to find the x axis, like propagation with x axis. So let me consider cos alpha plus cos alpha is equals to 1, where this cos alpha I can take commonly outside. So 3 cos alpha will be there, 3 cos alpha should be equals to 1. I mean this is cos square, no, yeah, cos square, cosine rule we are using, na, cos square. Okay, now cos square alpha is equals to 1 by 3, which is nothing but cos alpha is equals to 1 by root 3, right? No, square, if it goes this side it will become root, so alpha will be equals to cos inverse of 1 by root 3. This is my angle made with x axis. If I want to find y axis, z axis, the same angle 1 by root 3. So cos inverse of 1 by root 3 is the answer for the first question. Completed, we can go for the next question. Yeah, the next question is, let me take a pen. Okay, a cord of negligible mass is wound around the rim of a wheel supported by spokes with negligible mass. The mass of wheel is 10 kg and radius is 10 centimeter and it can freely rotate without any friction. Initially the wheel is at rest. If a steady pull of 20 Newton is applied on a cord, the angular velocity of the wheel after the cord is unwounded by 1 meter would be, like I need to find the angular velocity of the given question, right? So let me take a pen here. Yeah, what are the given terms here? Like mass is given, radius is given and force is given. It's without any friction they told, and force equals to 20 Newton is applied on a cord. Angular velocity I need to find, omega I need to find. Okay, omega I need to find. Then after cord is by 1 meter, like distance or displacement will be equals to 1 meter. Okay, now work done I can find. Now work done is nothing but force into displacement, right? So work done is equals to force into displacement, where force is 20 Newton and displaced is 1 meter. So work done is 20 joules. Now I need to find the omega, right? So here mass is given, r is given. It's like moment of inertia I can find, na, moment of inertia. One more thing, like if I find inertia, omega and I, by using that I can say that kinetic energy is there, like kinetic energy equals to half I omega square. Right now kinetic energy, like work done, so 20 joules, should be equals to 1 by 2 I omega square. What is I here? Like it's a chord, no? So I will be equals to mr square. Mr square. Mass is given and radius is given, but radius is given in 10 centimeter. Convert to meter right now. So if I want to convert it into meter, it is 0.1, no? 0.1 meter. So 20 kg into 0.1 the whole square, right now 0.1 the whole square, which I can write as 1 by 10 the whole square, 1 by 10 the whole square. So this is 20 by 100. So 0 will get cancelled and it is 0.2 kg meter square. 0.2 kg meter square is the moment of inertia. Now I can take the moment of inertia and keep in this equation. No, 20 is equals to 1 by 2 into 0.2 into omega square. So from this I can find the omega square, right? Like omega, no? So 20 into yes, mass is 10. It's 10 kg. So 0.1. Okay. So 20 into 2 divided by 0.1 equals to omega square. So your mass is 10 kg, we have taken 20, okay. So change that, so it is a 10 kg, we will get moment of inertia as 0.1, okay. So it is 40, so 40 into 10 divided by 1 into 10, no, so 1 is equals to omega square. So omega will be equals to under root of 400, which is nothing but 20 radians per second. This is my answer. So 20 radians per second, option 1 is the answer. Yes, we'll go for the next question. Okay. A river is flowing from west to east direction with a speed of 9 km per hour. If a boat capable of moving at a maximum speed of 27 km per hour in still water crosses the river in half a minute, while moving with a maximum speed at an angle of 150 degree to the direction of the river flow, then the width of the river is, okay, first let me take a pen and write down what are the given terms here, okay, then we can go into the question what they have asked, okay. Now speed of a river, no, like a river is flowing from west to east direction, no, this is the direction. How much? 9 km per hour. So velocity of the river is equals to 9 km per hour. Okay. Velocity of the river 9 km per hour. Okay. Then what they have what they have told here, like speed of a boat. It's still in water and makes an angle 150 degree. Okay. So this is my 150 degree. So it's making an angle 150 degree. So if I draw a perpendicular line, this will be my 60 degree, right? This is my 60 degree. How much this is? This is 27 km per hour. 27 km per hour. Okay. Now the things we know is velocity of a boat with respect to river, velocity of the river we know, and velocity of the boat we should find. Then only I can calculate the distance between the rivers, na. So velocity is equals to, velocity like perpendicular velocity, na, perpendicular velocity is equals to distance by time. What's the time they have given? Time is like half a minute, na, half a minute. So half a minute in the sense t is equals to 30 seconds. T is equals to 30 seconds. Okay. Now perpendicular distance, na, perpendicular velocity, na, this is 27 km per hour. If I take the perpendicular, it is 27 cos 60. So V perpendicular will be equals to 27 km per hour into cos 60. Cos 60 is, so I will write cos 60 degree, which is nothing but 27 into 1 by 2. This is my perpendicular velocity, guys. This is my perpendicular velocity. So I can take this velocity and I can substitute here. So 27 by 2 into 30 seconds should be equals to this distance. No, here it is 27 kilometer per hour, na? 27 by 2 kilometer per hour. So change it into meter per second. So 5 by 18. 5 by 18. Okay. Now everything is in meter per second. Okay, meters and second. So if I calculate this, I will get the value for the distance between the river. Can you give the answer for this question? Yes, it is 112.5 meter. Option 2 is the answer. Option 2 is the answer. Okay. So we can find like this also, like when we can take the Pythagoras theorem, like this one, this thing we know and this thing we know. Hypotenuse and one side we know. So other side we can use Pythagoras theorem and we can find. Okay. Either we can use this formula like cos 60 or sin 60 to find the either side, or else I can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the other side, like perpendicular side. Okay. We'll go for the next question. A point charge plus q is placed at the origin. A second point charge plus 9 is placed at d, 0, 0 in a Cartesian coordinate system. The point in between them where the electric field vanishes is, so two charges they have taken, and if I keep one more charge either in between them, no, like electric field should not disturb them, it is vanished. So what is the distance they are asking? So let me find here first. I will keep the things here. So this is my first charge plus q, it is plus q kept in origin 0, 0, 0, and one more charge is plus 9q, plus 9q is kept at d, 0, 0. So this is the thing given in the equation. The total distance between them is d. Okay, total distance between them is d. If suppose if I place some charge here, so it electric field vanishes there. Okay, so if I keep some point like charge here or point, I need to find out now that point. I will take it as like the distance between them is x. I will take. What about this one? This is d minus x. No, d minus x. Okay, so now we can use the equations like electric field equations, right? Now electric field equations, kq by r square, na. So kq by what is this, x square should be equals to electric field should be equals to 0 na here. So for this electric field is 0 and for this also 0, like I can equate both of them. Kq by x square will be equals to 0 and k into 9q, na, 9q by d minus x the whole square. Okay, this is the equation. From this if I find what is x, that is the distance. Okay, that is the point I need to find out. So here k and k will get cancelled out, right? Now k and k will get cancelled out, q and q also will get cancelled out. So d minus x by x the whole square should be equals to 9. So if I take the square to the other side, it will become root. So d minus x by x will be equals to 3, right now. So d minus x equals to 3x, d is equals to 4x, x will be equals to d by 4. So this is my point. So d by 4 0, 0, option 2 is the answer. Yeah, we'll go for the next question. A battery of a mobile phone is rated as 4.2 volt, 5800 mAh. How much energy is stored in it when fully charged? Okay, this is the question. So energy formula VQ V into Q. So I take a pen. So energy stored is equals to VQ. This is the formula now. So what is V? 4.2 and Q is given 5800 mAh. So I need to convert it into joules. Right now they have given in the joules. So I need to convert into joules. So when I convert Q is equal to like Q 5800 mAh to joules the formula is like 5 whatever given you take down into 3600 into 10 power minus 3. That's it. Okay. When mAh is given, convert it, if I want to convert to joules, multiply by 3600 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. Now energy is equals to, what is the volt given? 4.2 into 5800 into 3600 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3. Okay. So in this 42 into 58 into 36, this 30 will go off, this 10 if I multiply with this 42. So if I multiply this thing now, I will get the energy. This is the answer for the equation. Yeah, give the answer for this question, we will see. If I multiply, how much we will get? Approximately also we can say, no issues. So approximately we will get 87, right now 87 to 88. So option 3. Yeah, we will go for the next question. So spherical surface separates two media of a refractive indices 1 and 1.5 as shown in the given figure. Distance of the image of an object O is, I need to find the distance of the image of the object O. So C is the center of the curvature of a spherical surface and R is the radius of the curvature. So what is the formula I can use here? Refractive index also they have given. So I can use, yeah, mu2 by V minus mu1 by U is equals to mu2 minus mu1 by R. Right now, here U is given as 0.2, R is given as 0.4 and refractive index is given like 1.51, 1. Right now, this is 2. Okay. So this is 1.5 divided by V minus, yeah, mu1 is 1 divided by 0.2. Like I need to take in negative minus 0.2 is equals to 1.5 minus 1 by how much radius of curvature? 0.4. 0.4. Now 1.5 by V is plus 1 by 0.2. 1 by 0.2 should be equals to 0.5 by 0.4. I can take this 0.5 by 0.4 as 5 by 4 now. So 1.5 by V is equals to 5 by 4. This 1 by 0.2 as 10 by 2. So minus 10 by 2. Excuse me. Yeah. Now 1.5 by V is equals to 10 minus 40 by 4 into 2 is 8. Okay. I have cross multiplied it and denominator I have multiplied. So minus 30 by, yeah, minus 30 by 8 I will get. So 1.5 by V, yeah, 1.5 into 8 divided by 30. 8 divided by 30 should be equals to V. So multiply by 10 and divide by 10. So I can neglect the point na, yeah. So V is equals to 15 into 8 divided by 300. 8 divided by 300. So from this I can easily find no, this once and this is twice. So 8 divided by 20, 8 divided by 20. So if I calculate that, I will get the value. So this is in negative, na? Negative. Total value is in negative. Total value is in negative. So we will get approximately like 0.4. So since it is negative, left to the spherical surface. Okay, left to the spherical surface. I hope you got the answer right. Yeah, we will go for the next question. A person traveling on a straight line moves with uniform velocity v1 for a distance x and with uniform velocity v2 for the next 3 by 2 x distance. The average velocity in this motion is 50 by 7 meter per second. If v1 is 5 meter per second, then v2 is, so v average na, like d1 plus d2 by t1 plus t2. So distance is given and time, instead of time I can find d by v. So substitute this value and give the answer. Take the question as a homework question and give answer in the next class, we will see. Okay. So with this we will wind up, guys. Yeah, thank you. We will see in the next class.